My name is Jackie Brown. I'm a director at Lynn & Brown Lawyers and I practice in family law.
My name is Kate Hesford. I am also a family lawyer here as an associate. Essentially, no. Divorce itself is fairly straightforward, and that simply involves legally ending a marriage. What we find people are mainly wanting assistance with is more so in relation to sorting out the arrangements for the children of a relationship or organising a property settlement. Those issues also arise for people who are in a de facto relationship, not just people who are married. And it's also important to know that there is a time limit for sorting out your property settlement of 12 months from the date of a divorce order coming into effect. So it's actually usual to sort out your property settlement before you would go down the path of applying for a divorce.
So as well as the areas that Kate has touched on, in the family law area we do deal with family violence restraining orders quite regularly. Sometimes that can go hand in hand with separation, and we also deal with children's care and protection orders in the Children's Court.
So for married couples in Western Australia, the law is essentially the same as the rest of Australia, because that comes under the federal legislation. For de facto couples in Western Australia, it's state legislation that applies, but a lot of the provisions are the same and get copied over here. The main area of difference for de facto couples in WA is that it's not currently possible to obtain superannuation splitting orders as part of a property settlement. That is in the process of changing though. The amendments passed federal parliament in December last year, and we're waiting for the state parliament to pass them.
So most people will be familiar with sorting out which parent a child will live with, what time they'll spend with the other parent, but there can be a number of other issues in relation to children that might be the subject of family court proceedings. Some of those might be where grandparents are trying to spend time with their grandchildren and the family court has jurisdiction over that matter. One party may want to move interstate or overseas, and again the family court may have to determine whether or not that's going to happen. The family court might be called upon to make a determination as to whether a father is the parent of a child. There might be parentage DNA testing that's ordered for that. And the family court can also deal with issues around adoption. We also deal with surrogacy issues here at Lynn & Brown. Thank you everyone for watching us. I hope this has been informative, and if you have a question about family law, please don't hesitate to give us a call and one of our lawyers will be able to give you some assistance, and we might get you to come in and have an appointment with us. Thank you.
Thanks.